Ever dreamt of becoming a dividend millionaire, living off the income produced by your investments? The allure of dividends is undeniable. It promises a steady stream of income, a chance to dip your toes into passive investing, and a pathway to financial independence. Imagine this. You're sitting on a beach, sipping a cool drink, and your bank account is steadily growing. Why? Because you're a dividend millionaire. Your investments are hard at work, generating $1 million in dividends. It's not about quick cash or overnight success. It's about building a reliable source of income that works even when you're not. Dividends are like the golden goose of the financial world. They're the gift that keeps on giving. And who wouldn't want a golden goose, right? But before you set out on your quest, it's crucial to understand what you're getting into. The journey to becoming a dividend millionaire begins with understanding the basics of dividends. A dividend is simply a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders. Think of it as a reward that companies give you for investing in them. It's a way of saying, hey, thanks for the trust. Yes, here's a piece of our profit pie. Now, there are different types of dividends. First, we have cash dividends, which is money paid out directly to you. It's like getting a paycheck from your investments. Then there's stock dividends. Instead of cash, the company gives you additional shares. It's like growing your piece of the profit pie. And then we have special dividends. These are one-off payments, usually from a significant profit windfall or sale of a business. Companies pay dividends for various reasons. Some do it to attract investors, others to distribute excess profits, and some to show financial health. Now that we know what dividends are, it's time to dive into the process of becoming a dividend millionaire. The first step towards becoming a dividend millionaire is to start investing. You see, time is a crucial factor in the world of investing. The earlier you dive in, the more you stand to benefit from the magic of compounding. It's like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a towering tree over the years. Now, when it comes to investing, it's vital to spread out your investments. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. This is what we call a diversified portfolio, and it's a safety net that helps mitigate risk. And how do you go about acquiring these stocks? Well, a brokerage account is a good starting point. It allows you to buy stocks from companies that pay dividends, thereby setting the stage for your journey towards becoming a dividend millionaire. The sooner you start investing, the sooner you can start earning dividends. Not all stocks are created equal, especially when it comes to dividends. In your pursuit of becoming a dividend millionaire, it's key to remember that picking the right stocks is an art, not a lottery. One crucial factor to consider is the track record of dividend payments. Companies that have a consistent history of paying dividends are often more reliable. These businesses are typically established with stable earnings and cash flows. Diving deeper, it's important to understand the dividend yield and payout ratio. The dividend yield is simply the annual dividend payment divided by the stock's current market price. A higher yield could mean a better return on your investment. However, it's not all about high yields. The payout ratio, on the other hand, is the portion of earnings a company pays to its shareholders as dividends. A lower payout ratio could be a sign of a company that is reinvesting its earnings into growth, whereas a higher ratio might indicate a company with slower growth prospects. Be cautious though. Chasing after high yields can be risky. A sky-high yield might be a sign of a company in distress. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. The process of choosing stocks involves careful analysis and consideration. Don't rush it. Take your time to understand the company, its financials, and its future prospects. Choosing the right stocks is crucial to becoming a dividend millionaire. Earning dividends is great, but what you do with them can make all the difference. And here's where the concept of dividend reinvestment comes into play. Instead of taking those dividends as cash, you can choose to reinvest them to buy more shares. Think of it as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. Your portfolio is the snowball, and your reinvested dividends are the fresh snow. When you reinvest your dividends, you're effectively using the company's money to buy more of the company's stock. It's a powerful way to accelerate the growth of your portfolio without investing more of your own money. Over time, this strategy can significantly compound your wealth, bringing you closer to that coveted title of a dividend millionaire. Imagine a tree growing in your backyard. Each dividend is a new branch, and reinvesting those dividends allows the tree to grow bigger and stronger. Reinvesting dividends can supercharge your journey to becoming a dividend millionaire. Becoming a dividend millionaire is not get rich quick scheme. It's essential to stress that the journey to financial prosperity through dividends is a marathon, not a sprint. It demands a steady hand, a cool head, and the ability to hold steadfast in the face of market volatility. This venture may span decades, but it's the unwavering commitment to the long game that separates the truly successful from the rest. Remember, the key to becoming a dividend millionaire is patience, persistence, and smart investing.